Good evening, everyone. Merry Christmas and season greetings. Mark here with Evie Lynn behind the camera. We are megonervingadventures, and we're here with some special guests that are joining us for tonight's reading. So tonight I actually have an audience. No pressure, of course. But thank you for all being here. Thank you for joining us. And like I said, season greetings and Merry Christmas to everyone.
And thank you to Willard Peak Campground.
And thank you to Willard Peak Campground, who's hosting our little get-together tonight. And without further ado, tonight we're going to read a story. It's called Pete and the Cat's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. It is by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete, the Cat's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. On the first day of Christmas, Pete gave to me a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the second day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 2 fuzzy gloves and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the third day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the fourth day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the fifth day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. I'm going to get you to smile sooner or later. On the 6th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. Now we know we can sing this, don't we? On the 7th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 8th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 9th day, whoa, I think I skipped this. Yep, here we are. On the 9th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 10th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me, what goes in the tree? 10 sloths a-sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far-out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. Come on now. On the 11th the 11th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 11 balls a bouncing, boing, 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 boing. 10 sloths a sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea.
Groovy!
There we go. On the 12th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 12 friends are rocking, 11 balls are bouncing, 10 sloths are sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy! The end. Thank you all for joining us. That was fun. You all have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining us. Remember, give us a thumbs up, like us, and remember to leave a comment so that when we read tonight's story, you have the chance to win it. Bye, y'all.